Ukrainian forces launched an attack in the Velikoburluk direction in the Kharkiv region. During this operation, Ukrainian troops carried out a counterattack toward the settlement of Dvurechnoye, deploying 2 T-72 tanks. At the start, these tanks attempted to fire at the Russian positions, but they were quickly engaged by FPV drones. The first drone struck the engine compartment of the lead tank, with an additional hit landing on the rear of the turret. The crew exited the vehicle and tried to extinguish the fire, but after realizing they were unable to put it out, they abandoned the tank. Moments later, a second FPV drone hit the same tank from the front, completely destroying it. The second tank, in panic, attempted to break contact and maneuver off the road to bypass the destroyed vehicle. The crew tried to climb back on, but this tank also came under FPV drone attack. It continued moving toward a safer position, but was eventually abandoned there. 4 more drones struck the vehicle, completely finishing it off, despite the cage net on top. The crews likely managed to escape both tanks.